Am I going in front again, am I?
Oh yes. I'm going to try and get some footage today.
Oh yeah.
I'm going to try.
He'll start. No brakes. He'll start.
Yes. See, I got the old handbrake on.
Did any of you watch Birchwood Biker the other day?
Yes.
Issues with his front brake.
His front
Yeah.
brake?
Where his bike had fallen over, and I think it caused the front brake to be binding. I'm
What,
guessing.
on his new one?
Yeah,
And
on the guard.
Yeah, and it got hot enough to actually seize the brakes on.
On his new bike, on that new 750?
Yeah. Yeah.
Fell over on his driveway, and the handguard was just pulling the brake lever in a bit.
Right.
Of course, it had been binding, yeah.
Okay.
He felt it through his bloody gloves, didn't he?
Yeah.
Didn't take him long to find out.
Yeah, look, Hitchcock again.
Oh, yes.
Steve, they're coming for you.
I'm ready for him. It's when they stare at you and still pull out.
Mind you, it's easy to do. Pull out in front of somebody.
Or while you're looking at them.
Yeah. Well, you got that blind spot in your eyes, haven't you, where your optic nerve goes in.
Right.
Have you ever done the trick where you stick your arm out, put your thumb up, and you move it around in front of your eyes, and eventually you find the right spot where your thumb disappears, and you can just see the background through it.
All right.
Because your brain fills in what it thinks should be there.
And it's
Do you get that? Yeah. And of course, there's a blank spot in the back of your retina where the optic nerve goes in.
He's like a school day, isn't it?
I had a blank spot where his scalpel and needles went in the other week.
Oh, yeah.
But honestly, that is the weirdest sensation, seeing your lens and cataract getting scraped across your fucking eye.
Yeah, I think that's the one they're not having the eyes from the donor car.
Well, you won't know a lot about it.
No, I know, but I can't imagine they'd want yours either, Nigel, from the things you've seen.
Yeah, well, yeah.
See some nice twisties on the map.
Yeah, I mean, it's in a 30-mile-an-hour limit, but it is a nice tight turn. I'll let him get ahead. So,
Right.
Yeah, this is a nice bed.
Lovely round, isn't it?
See that? Look at that.
Beautiful.
Lovely jubbly. Bastard. Shame we haven't got the 360 on it, would have picked that up. I can see this just sitting on the mount and just having a ride round this camera rather than being fucking used.
Well, there you go. You won't get your money back, will you?
Well, to be honest, I think even if you flogged it now, you wouldn't get what you paid, nowhere near what you paid for it. So just want to keep it and use it as and when. On some logs.
Use some special occasions. Like Packtalk Pass. You still got the plan to go up to the top of Cardo, have you? And fly your drone?
Yeah, what I'll do is we'll stop some of the way and I'll send the drone up and just let it hover looking down at the road as we come up.
Oh, I see, yeah. Then get all of us on.
Yeah, and get all of us coming up then. And then when we fall off, at least it'll record it.
Yeah, exactly.
It's always a bitch trying to see out of here.
Oh, I know.
That's why I use the mirror. I find it easier to...
Good gap half this white one. There's beamer coming.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Alright, Steve's not out.
No, sure.
Oh, at least he's comfortable. He's sat on a sofa.
I I can sit there all day.
watching Netflix.
All I need is noisy scrubbing.
This Volvo looks a bit keen, look.
He does.
You ain't, Steve?
Oh yeah, I'll be at that minute.
There's quite a gap after the Mini,
Car on the junction on
Mini.
the left. Wait,
and there's a car coming up the hill now.
mind this Kia on the left waiting to come out. You got some gargoyle hanging out the passenger window. I think she was dribbling. It's clearly fallen off the side of a church.
If only it was on the chairs.
Look at that, that's what I like to see.
Yeah.
Patriotic.
Look at them all.
Yeah, good on them. I love it. That council...
Well, they've been out a while looking
yeah,
at them.
but the council has obviously adopted the view of fuck them.
Yeah.
Good on them.
I just don't know how they can say it's offensive to anyone, that.
Well, it's
it's
like
crazy,
us
isn't it?
going out to the bloody Arab Emirates and saying, right, I'm going to open fucking chain of pubs. Or
I know.
take your flags down. You imagine you went to another country and told all them to take their flags down.
Wouldn't
Yeah,
happen.
well, you go all around Europe and bloody Scandinavia, they all fly their flags, don't they?
Yeah. Difference is we're soft as shit.
See that, Nick? No foot brake, no handbrake.
Very good.
And we have the local fucking... Stay there, Joe 90.
That's why we seek out twisty roads, isn't it? So we can leave.
I mean, Nick, are you sure?
not that much fun in the
sure
car.
my ass looks big on this?
Sorry, let's black out the camera.
It's like a fucking eclipse.
I'll have to censor that.
Listen,
You leave it in.
bloody good job his trees not facing the other
That'll
way.
get you some views.
I might do that when we stop, switch his rear facing camera around for a minute.
Yeah.
I did that. I had it facing this way, and most people said no. It looks like an old video game from the 80s.
Right. I've certainly got a rear-facing camera at the moment.
Right. After this blue one, is there something? I'm gonna have one anyway. Yeah, car coming.
I shall hop in here.
Nick the hooligan.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm 47, but I had a very tough paper
I'll say
round.
fucking paper round in Beirut.
Yeah.
I say, look at this, look. Well, I never had a combine with a wheel at the front. That's nice, that 396 out towards Bampton. It's got a nice pub on a little roundabout there. That we stopped for Coke. I hasten to add, it didn't cost me 21 fucking quid in there. Is that
Imagine.
pub look on the roundabout?
Right, we're doing the left.
See the big stag look made out of wicker?
Oh yeah.
Good, isn't it?
Work of art, isn't it?
It is.
I'm going to stand up, not because my bum's sore, but it's getting a bit warm.
Can't. You're
Just a bit
breaking
warm,
every
isn't it?
rule in the book now, you bastards.
I'm standing on the sofa.
Standing on the sofa. Yes, Steve's jumping up and down on the sofa.
Jumping on.
I'm jumping on the sofa. Oh, Lordy. God, if my kids see that, they're going to piss themselves. That's I'm going to stop jumping on the bloody
My
sofa.
missus, when she heard me editing that footage of us the other day, she said, you lot are like a bunch of kids. I said, I know, it's funny as fuck.
Yeah, I've done this road a few times, but not this way round.
Oh, yeah.
Right, sorry, going that way. He's going to let us go. There you go. That's the high road. That's that one I was on about, Nick.
Yeah.
But this is a nice twisty.
times we fell. Ooh, I've been afraid some days, and the road will lead us to a better place. Oh, there are stories to tell. The times we grew and the times we fell. Oh, I've been afraid some days. I've been afraid. The road will lead us to a better place. The road will lead us to a better place.
Good right.
Okay.
Coming back here for you.
You're out.
Did I see a nice spotted Nigel's eye?
You did.
Look, he's
fucking
had
hell.
him, look, he's had him.
Whoa, shit.
You see,
Wasn't
it
me!
said, did you
fucker.
see the sign that said, pheasants in the road, please drive carefully?
I did.
They forgot to
Yes.
write the bit so that we can shoot the bastards later.
Yeah.
Oh, look, you want to take off on that, would you?
Oh,
yeah.
you wouldn't.
Yeah, they pheasants are thick as shit, aren't they?
They are,
Never mind, a
unfortunately.
buzzard will have that.
They're tough as old boots though, they hit your car, bounce off, and if you stop, the buggers are gone.
Yeah, I don't think that one was getting up.
No. He was trying.
He was
Yeah,
trying.
I was having a go. This is
Yeah, it
this is
wasn't
a
having any
tight
of it,
this is
was
a
it?
tight one. So sorry, this is Wedding Cross, but when we come back we'll span the crossroads.
Yeah.
So we'll come from this road on the left. There's a garage. There's
Yes.
a garage just over here. Does rather nice cup of coffee.
No, just this could not calculate route, so we'll let it. It's
tell-
fine. I mean, good
Tell
company.
you what, hit the three dots.
I haven't got 3 dots at the moment. I've got.
Yeah, bottom right hand corner, shouldn't you?
No. Oh, there we go. Right, hang on. He's coming back.
I was going to say, if you tap the screen,
bring 'em
your
back.
3 dots will come up.
See, it's like
Bit tricky in
it's
gloves.
like trying to educate pork, isn't it, Steve? You're better off shagging it.
Okay.
The trouble with these Somerset lads. Fucking illiterate.
It's not like you're going to get lost between the two of us.
No, exactly.
Oh, what a
After
place!
these
What a
bits.
place to live, look.
Yeah. That's another place on a hill though. You don't like hills.
No, well, no, because you wake up one morning and your fucking house is down in the valley.
Long way to carry your shopping.
Yeah.
Not
Right,
forgetting
if we
any-
can, I'll stop near that that stone fucking gazebo in the middle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, this is where I was supposed to be going, and ended up in Dalverton.
Oh yeah.
I started typing it into Google and I went, yeah, that's it, and hit bloody Dalverton to Dunster.
Ah,
Ended up paying £4.10 for a full glass of Coke.
steady.
Oh no.
Steady. You can upset Nige.
You know when I mentioned retard earlier?
I've just proved it.
There's a nice church.
Isn't it?
Rather quaint.
Very
The
nice.
surprises shop.
Yeah, the
it's where you
prices.
buy-
That's what's surprising.
No, you buy something in there and then you take it back. It says nothing in this box. Surprise! Right, is there or isn't there? Of course,
Of course there isn't.
isn't.
Of course there isn't.
Let's pull in here a minute. Let this lot go behind us. There is the other side, some motorcycles.
There is.
Which way do you go, left or right? Doesn't really.
Let's go. Oh, you bitch. I'm in
Sorry.
fucking Ford. There you go, look, here it do. Ah, it's all on fucking keep clear, look. Hello. Ding
I'm
dong.
looking for a parking space.
I found one right there.
Just slot your front wheel in somewhere.
Are you good doing a U-turn?
No, go left. There'll be a lay-by up here. Anywhere would do. Just somewhere we can get a tan on our head.
That's what I need.
There's a lay-by here, look.
There is.
Or the bus stop.
Bus stop. Should we stop in here?
Yeah.
Should we stop in here? Feck it.